Today is July the 2nd of 2013. This is the market analysis, Grok Trade. Welcome. This is Miguel Vences. I am a trader, a mentor, and an analyst for Grok Trade. And I bring you today the market analysis and the report for the day, which show us today a flat market, very modest movement today. The Dow is the one that is slightly stronger to the downside, 0.27%. The S&P 500, 0.04%. Nasdaq, 0.11% to the upside, while the Russells is also flat, barely to the downside, 0.07%. And as we can see in this graph of the S&P 500, this is the candle for today. It's a doji. Dojis do reflect indecision in the markets, and today I believe it also reflects the lack of volume. Let's not forget that in a couple days it's July the 4th, and most likely a good number of traders have taken some time off, and definitely the market seems to be postponing any big movements for the time being. Something to note is that today's doji shows us a lower high and a lower low. Made the high of the day at the 50-day moving average and closed right under the 20-day moving average. A doji, by the way, can also mean a trend reversal or a direction reversal. So as I was saying yesterday, the markets continue to show some weakness. We can also see in the Nasdaq, same deal, not quite a doji, but a very small narrow range candle with also a lower high and a lower low, also making the high of the day at the 50-day moving average and closing right under the 20-day moving average. So pretty similar, as is the Russell's lower high, lower low. Altogether, these three indices are showing us a certain degree of weakness. The Dow is the one that has a little more strength showing, giving us a formation similar to a high base. But today's candle also gave us a lower high and a lower low. But if this high base was to break out, it would have to go over this line of resistance. But considering the state of the markets, it is very unlikely for this to happen anytime this week. Just to take a quick look at the volume, this is a graph of the SPY, the spiders. We can see that today's volume, even though it wasn't horrible, however, is definitely under the average and definitely not enough for any big moves. Have a wonderful 4th of July, and make sure to check back in for the weekend edition, which will be recorded by Des Woodruff.